The other one's up there.
Don't drop those in the pool, you won't get them back. Money Cash, can you move back over here? Because Grandma's going to feed the birds, but they're scared. Because we're here.
Can you believe there's like dog food? It's weird.
Yeah, that is dog food for them and stuff.
Dog food?
This one's really hungry.
Stay here, Cash.
This is for the one that gets chased away by mommy and daddy.
I'm gonna draw my car in there, Mommy. I dropped one on my car.
You're not going to get it back because nobody's going in the pool.
He didn't. Yes. Exactly like in there, in that thing. In that. Yeah. No! It's behind your back. No.
You guys, I'm videotaping. Cash, get back, Cash. Cash.